Alright, I'm recording the sewer here at 12252 2nd Avenue Northwest. Date is June 30th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the vent on the roof of the home. I'm going to pull back. We got a spot pretty well offset, slash root intruded, slash possibly cracked or broken. I don't want to make too many assumptions, but that looks like a hole in the backside of the pipe. Before this makes the turn, I was actually able to get past the turn. Beautiful. I was having troubles getting past that turn until this point, but maybe I just needed to record. Alright, there's the city main flowing by there. Whew. So that should be running out on 2nd there. I'm going to pull back from that point, see if we can't get a good idea of the look of the line here. This recording is going to be a little long, so bear with me. I'm going to make a couple footage markers for estimate on my camera here. So coming back into 6-inch diameter concrete shared sewer line with the neighboring home next door. That's got to be where the two tied together, because they're coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe there. This is where the two homes tie together. I'm going to make another mark here on my camera to get an idea of the length of the shared sewer. Okay, got that marked. Now we're heading back into 4-inch diameter personal line for 12252. Okay, make a final mark here on the camera. Come back around that last corner. There's a few feet back to the cast iron concrete transition, and there's a tie-in right there too. So I'm going to measure out the footage on all this, and we're going to pop over to the neighbors and make a second recording. We're coming back into the cast iron pipe now here and back up this stack. So there's the roof vent we're making this recording from. I'm going to end the video there.